Welcome to Leo Explores. Today we're going to be opening the OwlCrate Junior box. This is the card that tells you what there is. September 2019, Legends of the Deep. There's this magazine that says OwlCrate. This has a piranha, I think, and an octopus. It looks like it's going to be about sea creatures or something. Next, there is a Gillyweed. This is the best tea in Hogwarts. Ooh, I can't wait to use it soon. This is a shark tea strainer. I also can't wait to use this with this. Next, there is a poster. That has a shark fighting an octopus. Then there is this Narwhal pen. Looks like this. Then there is this sticker of a mermaid reading Jaws. Get it? Since she's a mermaid, she lives in the water and Jaws is a shark. There's a book called The Yeti Files, Attack of the Kraken. There's a bookmark. And there's also this little, I think, badge or something? Pen. This is a bookmark at the end. It's like this. This is a little card. Then there's a note from the author. And this book is called Malander, Praise for Malander. Book 1 in the Legends of Erie on Sea. And last, there's a card that says the theme of October OwlCrate Junior is robots. Oil your gears and update your operating systems. You'll want to be in tip-top reading condition for next month's book. Our October pick is fast-paced, funny, and all full of big-hearted adventure. This is a perfect for fans of The Wild Robot, Amulet, The Iron Giant, and Wally. And this is it for the OwlCrate Junior box. Bye.